Hi guys, enjoying? Hi Aiden, is Leia?
Stop hitting me with water. It looks like I'm doing. Look at it.
Whoa.
I'm making some bubbles.
It's making some bubbles? Cool. You guys
paddle.
paddle. Go paddle, Leia, paddle. Paddle. Other way, other way, other way. Leia, you're gonna scoop it to the back. Scoop the water to the back.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Aiden, you too. Paddle.
This paddle too big for me.
No, how come Leia's doing it? It's supposed to be big, baby. So then that way you can scoop a lot of water.
Up a little bit.
Then you sit up. Come on, Aiden. Let's go. Stop. Oh, jeez. All right, here we go. All right, go, 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 go. Paddle, guys. You guys are our engines. You guys are the propellers. I'm taking a video. Well, you want to take the video?
Yeah.
No. Ooh, you guys want to go all the way down there? You see that?
Oh!
Okay, all right.